Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best fish diamond painting is probably one of the most relaxing and rewarding crafts you can get into. Today, we're diving deep into the shimmering world of diamond painting, specifically focusing on a stunning fish design. I'll walk you through the process, from the tools you'll need to the final, sparkling masterpiece. Get ready to discover if this kit lives up to the hype and if it's the perfect project for you. Number 5. Diamond DOTZ Luminous Fish Diamond Painting Kit. This kit has everything you need to start creating your own dazzling diamond dots painting masterpiece. It's a hassle-free and convenient craft experience, perfect for anyone looking for a relaxing activity. Dive into the world of diamond art and experience the mesmerizing beauty of diamond-like facets. The facets add a brilliant sparkle to your artwork, making it truly unique and eye-catching. Choose from a diverse selection of designs that cater to various tastes and preferences. Whether you're into nature, animals, or abstract art, there's a perfect pattern for everyone. The kit is designed to produce a stunning shimmery effect, adding a touch of elegance to any room. Your finished artwork will captivate onlookers with its radiant beauty. Enjoy the satisfaction of completing your diamond art kit quickly and easily. The end result is an exquisite masterpiece that will leave you eager to explore more designs and continue your artistic journey. What we like. This kit has everything you need to get started, making it super convenient. The diamond-like facets give a brilliant sparkle, making your artwork stand out. If you're looking for a hassle-free and rewarding craft experience, you should consider this one. What people say. The colors were vibrant and beautiful and the finished product exquisite. I like how the background is solid and does not require the diamond placings there. Number 4. Diamond DOTZ Fishy Kissy Diamond Painting Kit. This complete kit includes everything you need to create a stunning masterpiece. It's a relaxing and creative way to express yourself. The design features a whimsical underwater scene with intricate details and vibrant colors. It brings the beauty of the ocean to life. Crafted with diamond dots, this kit produces a dazzling shimmery effect. It adds depth and brilliance to your artwork, enhancing its visual appeal. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, this kit offers a quick and easy process. You can enjoy the creative journey and produce exquisite results. Experience the joy of crafting with this kit today. Shop now and discover the magic of diamond painting, and let the whimsical charm inspire you. What we like. This kit features a charming design that brings whimsical underwater scenes to life. It also offers a quick and easy process, perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. If you enjoy crafting and want a beautiful piece of art, you should definitely choose this one. What people say. Bright and quirky. The colors are vibrant. Number 3. Diamond DOTZ Gone Fishing Diamond Painting Kit. Are you looking for a relaxing and creative hobby? This kit is perfect for adults who enjoy crafting. It's a great way to unwind and create a beautiful piece of art. This diamond art kit features a gone fishing design. It's a fun and engaging project that will keep you entertained for hours. You'll love watching the image come to life. The kit includes everything you need to get started. It comes with DOTZ gems, a canvas, and all the necessary tools. The process is easy and enjoyable. The finished artwork will be a stunning 28 by 22 inch piece. The DOTZ gems add a beautiful sparkle and dimension to the image. It's a perfect decoration for your home. This kit is designed for adults of all skill levels. It's a fantastic way to express your creativity and create something beautiful. Get yours today and start crafting. What we like. I am sorry, but I do not have enough information to promote this product. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the drills are sparkly. The canvas is very nice and the symbols are easy to read. The picture is beautiful and the drills are great quality. Number 2. Diamond DOTZ Fishing at Sunrise Diamond Painting Kit. This kit offers a mesmerizing craft experience. It includes a pre-printed fabric and premium DOTZ that transform it into sparkling art. Discover the magic of gem art. You place shimmering DOTZ onto the carefully marked surface, creating a radiant design. Each piece sparkles with diamond dots. They reflect light beautifully, bringing out vivid hues and intricate details for a breathtaking result. Designed for adults seeking stress relief and creative fun. This simple yet rewarding activity helps you unwind and immerse yourself in the enchanting world of crafts. Experience gem painting at its finest. It comes with high-quality materials, including a color chart, tray, stylus, and waxing caddy, ensuring brilliant results every time you create. What we like. The pre-printed fabric and premium DOTZ transform your kit into sparkling art. It is designed for adults seeking stress relief and creative fun. If you are looking for a simple yet rewarding activity to unwind, you should consider this one. What people say. The colors are vibrant. The canvas is very nice and the diamonds stick well. The picture is beautiful. Number 1. LYKEJI Boat Diamond Art Kit. This kit is perfect for anyone looking to explore their artistic side. It provides everything you need to create a stunning piece of art. Inside, you'll find a canvas, diamonds, a sticky pen, a tray, and glue. This comprehensive set ensures you have all the necessary tools to get started right away. The canvas measures 11.8 by 15.7 inches, with a painting area of 9.8 by 13.7 inches. This size is ideal for displaying your finished masterpiece in various spaces. The round drills are resin-coated, and the canvas has a sticky background. This combination ensures the diamonds adhere firmly, creating a sparkling and vibrant artwork. This kit is perfect for decorating your home, office, or any other space. It adds a touch of sparkle and personality to any environment. It's a wonderful gift for friends and family on special occasions. Share the joy of creative crafting with your loved ones. What we like. This kit includes everything you need, from the canvas to the tools. The high-quality materials ensure your diamond painting sparkles. If you are looking for a versatile decoration to add sparkle to your living space, you should choose this one. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the picture is beautiful. The drills are sparkly and the canvas is high quality. The design is very pretty and the diamonds are easy to apply. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.